I thought I'm on their PR. I thought I was just getting some stuff from them. I'm on their PR. Guys, welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko, and I am back with another YouTube video. Alright, so in today's video, we're actually going to be trying out a new product that is about to launch real soon, and that is from Becca. It is their Becca Zero Pigment Collection. So if you guys are interested on this particular collection, if it works for you, if it works on me, if you guys are interested in purchasing, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the Extra Squad because we get lit on this side of YouTube. And let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright, so here is the PR box for the Becca Zero No Pigment Collection, Zero to High, Skin is Amped Up, Not Covered Up Collection, all of that and the above. Excuse the nails, I dyed my hair black today because I got tired of the grays peeping through, so I look a little rough.
This shit getting out of hand.
Here is the collection. In the collection, there's two new products. There is a no pigment virtual foundation. This is a makeup and skincare hybrid with zero pigment, so it gives you a smooth out, blurred out, virtually invisible finish with hydrating skincare built in. So it's supposed to kind of like blur out the skin, get rid of the shine. It has hyaluronic acid built into it. It's also oil controlling, and it's a skincare and a cute little packaging. And then the second product is the No Pigment Glass Highlighter for face and lips. This is also a multi-use highlighter that gives glass-like skin without the sticky feel. Yeah, and it just talks about how the products are to be used. The launch date for these are July 26th on Becca.com. Then in Ulta and Sephora on August 2nd online. And then in stores on the 28th. So Sephora store is going to get it a little bit late, so if you guys are looking to pick this up in Sephora, it'll be on August 28th. But you can purchase it in Ulta and on Ulta's website and Sephora's website on August 2nd. Alright, so I don't have anything on the skin, not even a moisturizer, not even a serum, not even anything. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and pop on my serum, my moisturizer, and then we can get into the video. Alright, so for my serum today, I'm going to be using the Good Molecule. This is the discolorization correcting serum. This just came out recently or just a couple of days ago, so it's new. But it's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation. And then for moisturizer, I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Vegan Moisturizer. You guys know this is not new to my channel. I love this moisturizer dearly. Alright, so the face is prepped. Not gonna go in with a primer because I think I'm gonna use this as a primer for foundation. We'll see how that works as well too within this video. Does it work as a primer as well? But in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this product. We're gonna try this out. I think the cool thing about it is that it comes with a little spatula that's on the top. I'm probably gonna lose it because you know I am horrible at keeping up with spatulas. As you can see, I have another spatula from another brand here, and I'm going to use that because it's bigger. But I went ahead and took a dollop, and I'm going to do one side first and see how it blurs the skin. So let me zoom you guys in so we can get a little bit more of a closer detail of how this is going. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It looks a little invisible, but it's right here. Alright, let's go ahead and blend this out. So initially off my first thoughts of applying this and blending it, it's very cooling. It gives like a little cooling sensation. And it mattified. it kind of gives like a soft matte blurred ordeal. I'm gonna use the rest on this side of my forehead. I'm only gonna do just half so we can kind of get an idea of it blurring. So this is how it looks on the skin. This is no product on this side. Alright, my initial thoughts looking at this product, I do see just a little bit of smooth application, especially like right here in my nose area. I do see just a little bit more smoothness there. I do have a little bit of texture in that area. I'm still working on fixing it, work in progress. But the forehead is not really taking too much to because I'm very sweaty, plus I'm in the studio lights. So it's a little hot in here. And I am sweating a little profusely. But on the cheek, it is doing what it's supposed to do. It blurred a little bit. I don't know if it feels in the pores because I do have some porous situations right here on the apples of my cheek. But when we put foundation on, we're going to see if it actually blurs the pores and fill them in, as if this is somewhat like a silicone-ish primer. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quickly, and we're gonna get into the foundation so I can try the Glass Skin highlighter. Alright guys, and I am back. Face is on. This is the look that I created. Just something simple, something natural, something easy. Nothing too crazy, of course. So we're gonna go in and use the face highlighter from Becca Cosmetics on the face and the lips, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips real quickly, add a lip color on, and we're gonna pop this on to see how glossy it is. We're gonna put it on as a highlighter, and then we might gonna put it on the eye to see if I can get that, you know, that glassy, glossy eye look, and see if it's sticky in that area too. So be right back with a lip combo, and we'll get into the glass highlighter. I'm back. Lips are on. Let's go ahead and try out the glass highlighter. I'm gonna put it a little bit on the back of my hand just so I don't get the wand messy. Do one more little dip just so I can get the eyes on there as well too, and a little bit of the face. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply a little bit to the lips, see how glossy this is. I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the eyes. We're gonna get this glossy lid. Pray for me, y'all. Alright, and then the true test of it all. Cheek highlighter. Here we go, y'all. Taking my beauty blender, my booty blender. Alright guys, so here is the completed look. I am here for it. This is literally so pretty. Oh, this gives glass skin. I'm here for it, Becca. I was a little skeptic about it because it's clear, but this literally is giving me everything. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm interested in hearing what you guys think. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into my thoughts in the review portion and what I think of these products. Alright, so I'm going to talk about my most favorite product from this collection. I always talk about my most favorite product that I'm going to definitely reach for a lot and a lot often, and that is the No Pigment Virtual Foundation. This as a primer, this gives me the smooth, buttery look that I have been dying for. Do you see my under eyes? Do you see how smooth my under eyes look? Like, baby, it looks like I got a filter on. And this literally gave me that. So honestly, this is gonna be my hero product out of the collection. The face glass highlighter, this is also cute too. Honestly, I would say this is like, I give this like a 9.5 out of 10, and I give this a 9 out of 10. I will be reaching for both of them. You will see them featured on my channel more often. But this as a primer, baby, butter. She's giving me Lando Lakes teas. She's giving me smooth, creamy, buttery teas, baby. You can't clock me with this. Like, baby, smooth, baby, smooth. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this video. If you guys enjoyed it and made it this far, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video some like, some love, some hearts. Give it a little thumbs up. Comment down below which products are you guys going to be getting from this collection. If you guys are interested in the Becca Zero No Pigment collection, let me know in the comment section down below. If you made it this far, you have not subscribed as well too, please subscribe to my channel. Be a part of the XO Squad. We get lit on this side of YouTube. I will see you guys in my next video. I think it's over here. I don't know. It's over here. Yeah. Yeah, the video's gonna pop up right here. Y'all gonna watch it? Please watch one of these two.
Yeah, I like it. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.